Hi guys, welcome back to JD's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you guys this delicious garden egg recipe. So I tried getting the very fresh green looking garden eggs in the market, but I couldn't find it, so I had to make do with these ones that were almost getting yellow. So for my ingredients, I will need some red oil, I will need some kanda and some smoked fish. You need some crayfish, okay, any protein of your choice. Then you need some tomatoes and onions. You need some sliced onions, you need some pepper if you use pepper, okay, you need some salt and seasoning. And the first step I'm going to take is I'm going to go ahead to boil my kanda. I will not boil my fish and my kanda together. I'm going to boil the kanda, that's cow skin, okay. I'm going to boil it separately. The fish, I'm going to infuse it into the tomato paste when I'm boiling it, because there's this flavor that smoked fish always produces, and I did not want to mix it with the cow skin because I would not like to use the liquid from the cow skin. So yeah, that's why. So I went ahead to blend my tomatoes. You can see that I did not blend it very smooth, okay. I blended my tomatoes and the onions. Now I'm going to proceed. I will clean my garden eggs. I just take out the top and the bottom part of the garden eggs, and then I cut them into 4 slices. And I'm going to do this for all of my garden eggs, and I will boil it. I'll boil my garden egg for, I would say, about 20 minutes on medium heat. So you can see I just put enough water to cook the garden eggs. I did not put a lot of water, I just put enough. At this point my tomato had been boiling for almost 30 minutes. This is, I think, the part that takes a lot of time in cooking this. So I came in now to add my fish so that it can also boil and cook. While my garden egg, as soon as my garden egg got ready, I took it and I put it into my food processor, and then I blend it roughly as well. I didn't make it very smooth, okay. You can still see the seeds and you can still see some chunks of garden egg. Now everything is ready. My tomato has boiled down and gotten dry. You guys, we always say that our grandparents' food used to taste really delicious. Do you know why? There was something common with their meals. They use red oil. If you want to make your garden egg sauce, please trust me and use red oil. It's going to turn out amazing as opposed to you using vegetable oil. Try it and come back to the comment section and tell me how it turned out. So once I put my red oil on the fire, it was hot. I came in with my tomatoes, my onions, my pepper. Now you can skip the pepper part if you do not eat pepper. I made this and my kids were not going to eat it, so I put in some pepper, because whenever I'm cooking food that my kids have to eat, I do not put pepper. So you can see I came in with some seasoning, I came in with some salt, and then I added crayfish. You guys, this is what gives this dish so much flavor, the red oil and the crayfish. Like, you don't need to go ahead to add ginger, garlic. You can if you want, but the crayfish, the red oil, it gives it so much flavor, and the smoked fish. So I come in now with my kanda or cow skin, and then I bring in my garden egg as well. And at this point your garden egg sauce is actually ready. You don't have to overcook it. You could just leave it on the fire for maybe a minute or 2, and then you take it out, because you've done a lot of boiling already from the beginning. So yeah, this is how to make your garden egg sauce. If you try this recipe, you guys, I came in with a little more crayfish, and it tasted really amazing. I paired it with yam. You can eat this with plantain, you can eat it with whatever it is you prefer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do me well to share this on your WhatsApp status with your friends. Yeah, someone is going to be on your status that has never cooked this, and they'll probably try it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you are not yet subscribed. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.